Today, Chloe and Cal are thinking about their problem.
Do you remember what happened? I heard a strange sound like the heater hiss got the hiccups. But Cal only heard the heater hiss, not the hiccup bit. It's not fair. You want to hear it too, don't you, Cal?
Me too.
What about you? Well, the problem is I don't know how I hear it. Huh. Ah! Heard it. Did you, Cal? Oh, maybe, Cal. Maybe it's my scarf that makes me hear it. Here, you try it.
Nice scarf, Cal. And nice hypothesis.
Hypothesis?
Yes. Cal's idea about how you hear the strange sound.
Oh, so is your idea right, Cal? Hear it? Oh,
You heard it?
yes!
Okay, my hypothesis. Try this, Cal. Hear it now, Cal?
Oh,
Chloe?
yes! Maybe it's because of where I'm standing. This side of the heater. Let's swap, Cal. No, Cal, not there. Where I was.
Right. Hear it now, Cal?
Oh,
You heard it from that side, Chloe?
yes, I heard it when I shake my head. Yes, when I shake no.
Ha, hang on. I'm going to try. Yes, I heard it.
Okay, Cal. We figured it out. You have to shake your head to hear the strange sound. You try it, Cal. Faster! Faster! Help me make Cal go faster. Faster! Faster! Yay!
Yay!
Yippee! Let's all hear it together. Everyone, shake your head.